Hello, Flow Talkers, and welcome back to English Flow Talks. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. We are so excited to have you join us for this extended session.
Today's topic is, honestly, the foundation of all conversation in English. It's the gatekeeper to making new friends, networking, and just feeling comfortable speaking.
We're talking about small talk.
David, I hear this all the time. Learners feel confident writing long emails, but they freeze when a native speaker just says, "Hey, what's up?"
Exactly. They think, I know the vocabulary, but I don't know how to start or keep a casual, real-life conversation going. If that's you, stick with us.
The mindset shift we want you to make today is simple. Small talk is not about being fascinating. It's about being friendly. It's about sharing a moment.
You don't need advanced grammar or massive vocabulary. Simple, common phrases are your best friends. We're going to show you how.
So, why do we dedicate a whole hour to this? Because small talk is the warm up before the main event. Think about it. Whether you're at a conference, waiting for a meeting to start, sitting next to someone on a plane, or just buying coffee, you need those few sentences to break the ice. It helps you connect, even if briefly. It makes the other person feel comfortable. And when they feel comfortable, the conversation has room to grow into something deeper. It's like testing the water before you jump in the pool. It's low pressure. If it goes well, great. If not, no big deal. Let's repeat that crucial idea slowly together. Small talk is connection, not perfection. Say it out loud with us. Small talk is connection, not perfection. Let's move into the practical tools, starting with the very first step, the opener. Beyond the basic hi and hello, let's use observational openers. This means commenting on something you both share in that specific moment. Scenario 1. Waiting in a long line. Wow, this line is moving slowly, isn't it? Scenario 2. Looking at a piece of art, food, view. That looks really interesting. Have you tried it before? Scenario 3. At a professional event. I love the venue here. Are you enjoying the conference? Now, let's combine that with a simple greeting. Listen and repeat the structure of the phrase. Let's practice. Repeating the structure. Good morning, I love your jacket. Hi, it's crowded in here today, right? Your turn. Imagine you are standing next to a colleague who is pouring coffee. What is one thing you could say to start a chat? Formulate your full sentence now. You could have said, "Good morning, that coffee smells amazing." Simple, authentic, and it opens the door. Once the door is open, you need a safe topic, something everyone can relate to without sharing deep personal information.
The weather is universal. It's our small talk bread and butter. It's surprisingly warm for October, isn't it? I hope this rain clears up soon. We really needed this sunny day.
And let's make it a two-way street. Dialogue practice. It's really hot today. I wish I brought water.
Yes, incredibly hot. I heard we're having a heat wave. Are you used to this kind of weather?
Not at all. I prefer the cooler days. Listener practice. How would you respond to this statement? Say it out loud. What a grey day. I hate when it looks like this outside.
This is perfect for the office, school, or any class. Focus on their schedule or immediate tasks. How's your workday going so far? How's work? Are you staying busy this week? What are you working on right now?
Let's do a dialogue, David.
How's your workday going so far?
Pretty good, actually. I just finished up a big project, so I feel lighter now.
Oh, that sounds satisfying. What kind of project was it?
Ask about the recent past or the immediate future. Do you have anything fun planned for the weekend? What did you get up to last weekend? Any plans to travel soon?
Do you have anything fun planned for the weekend?
Not much, just catching up on sleep, maybe watching a new movie. How about you?
I'm hoping to try out that new restaurant downtown.
This is where the conversation often dies. David says, I'm busy. The learner says, okay, and silence.
The most important skill in small talk is the follow-up question. They are the bridges between one person's thought and the next.
Instead of just saying, oh, okay, try inserting one of these simple connectors before your question. Listen and repeat the full phrases.
Really? Where did you go?
Oh, I see. What was the best part?
That's interesting. How did you get into that?
What about you? What are you reading? Let's use the scenario from earlier. Listen to Emily's statement and then formulate a follow-up question using why, what, or how. I had a super busy weekend. I was moving furniture for my brother. The key is to ask a question that requires more than a simple yes or no answer. It keeps the ball in the air. It shows you're listening. Small talk is 50% talking and 50% reacting. Your reaction shows you care and that you are present.
We call these feedback loops. They are short phrases, often accompanied by changes in your tone of voice or body language, like a slight nod.
No way. Oh, that's terrible. That sounds lovely.
I know what you mean. Sounds like a plan. Right, exactly.
My train was delayed for 2 hours this morning.
No way. That's terrible. Did you manage to get any work done while you waited?
I did, but I was freezing.
Oh, I see. I hate train delays.
All good conversations need a good ending. You need to signal that you need to leave without seeming rude.
We use transition phrases that acknowledge the chat and then state the need to depart. Soft exit. Well, it was really nice chatting with you, but I should get back to work now. Hard exit. Time pressure. I wish I could talk longer, but I'm running late for a meeting. Future connection. It was great catching up. Let's connect again later this week.
So I've got to run to the train station before traffic gets bad.
Oh, no problem at all. It was great talking to you.
You too. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Talk to you soon.
Practice saying that hard exit. I wish I could talk longer, but I'm running late for a meeting.
Okay, you have all the pieces now. It's time for your final challenge.
We want you to create a full small talk script based on a scenario.
Your conversation must use the following 5 elements in order. Observational greeting, for example, wow, this store is busy. Safe topic, the weekend. Follow-up question, using how or why. Authentic reaction, for example, no way. Graceful exit, a soft exit.
Take a moment right now and rehearse that conversation with yourself. Say all the parts out loud.
If you're watching on YouTube or listening on our app, write your final challenge conversation in the comments. We read them all.
We are incredibly proud of the progress you're making. Thank you for spending this hour with us. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing.
And remember, simple English works.
See you next time on English Flow Talks.